Hey, what's up, guys? So, our topic for today is character map, where you can find all the symbols on your computer. Okay, so let's get started. First, you want to press Windows R, and then you type char map or car map. Okay, so this will show. So you want to try it. Hit OK. And yes, that's it. That's so easy, right? So you can just select and then copy, or here, copy. Also, you can see the shortcut here if you want to try it. So notepad, press alt 0196 there, alt 0196, or let's try one more. Okay, this I right here, select this, copy. Oh, there's no shortcut with this, and paste it. Oh, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.